Hey guys, Kurt for Time Machine Transport. Truck is running like a rocket now. I know it's not a big deal to you guys, but for me this is fucking huge. She's running so well. Just got her washed again and get all the grease and everything off the motor. And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm stoked, man. I couldn't be any happier. Hopefully my phone won't fall. I get over to this stretch right here. Anyways, I think she's fast. This is the way she should have been running the whole time. She's got 550 horse, which I know if you had a Caterpillar in your truck, that's nothing. But for a Detroit 60 running 550 horse, 13 speed, I couldn't be more stoked, man. I'll do another video when I get her on a load, hook up to the trailer. Today is Monday. They finished it up in the shop, and I'm just super stoked, man. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.